Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Joseph in here with us this afternoon, and this is Joseph's 5th visit here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. How have you done this first 5 visits?
Great.
Yep.
It works.
And I adjust you the same way every time, right?
Yes.
And everybody talks about, oh, you adjust everybody the same, but it's different for you than it was Natalie.
That's right.
It's different for you than it was your dad. Even though it looks like the same thing, it's different forces, and your spine's different than theirs, so it's unique to you. And it works. That's why we do it. So let's show them how we do that. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, Joseph. And then back to neutral. Yep. You don't have near as much forward hip posture anymore. You see how it's back more now? You're just a little off to the right, but not too bad. Pelvis is right down the middle. Good deal. Well, let's decompress you first today. We are strictly hands-on adjusting here. I don't do any therapies, any muscle stim or roller tables or diathermy or any other physiological therapeutic modalities. We are strictly hands-on, pure chiropractic adjustments. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, boy.
Whoa.
I don't even have to ask that one when I look down.
That's good.
Yes, sir. Okay. That's it. Nope, still got one here. That's it, better. Okay. So today though, Joseph, I'm going to put you on this knee chest table over here. So let's have you come over here. And I'm going to put your knees on that bottom part. And let me get this paper up here for you. This paper wants to stick together. I just have a hard time getting a single sheet. There we go. Okay. There we are. And you'll put your face all the way up in there and just kind of let your spine sink right here. Now I'm adjusting right down at T12L1, just like that. Perfect.
Whoa.
Good job. Felt that one deep, didn't you?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Good deal. Yeah. That's starting to become people's favorite adjustment, even over the ring dinger. Okay. Go ahead and lay on your tummy there now. Joseph's legs are even. That's a good start. They stay even. That doesn't tighten up too bad, does it?
No, sir.
So we're still going to adjust his SI joints first. There we go. Good. Now I'm going to come up above where I got that lower thoracic to move. Oh yeah. Okay, got one more. Now you can feel it. There, okay. Now let's recheck this. I bet you this feels even smoother than the first one did.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. That's C3-4. Right down here is C5-6. Let's slide in just, there you go. There, boy, that's a good one. Yep, there's C7, T1. Let's turn you on your back now. Okay, perfect. Yep, now slide down just a little bit more and put your arms straight out. Good. Okay, just relax your hands on your tummy for a second there, Joseph. Oh yeah. Feel that one in your knee and your hip?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Perfect. Good. Okay, let's sit you up face towards Natalie there. Okay. There. There we go. You were the first one in your family to come in, weren't you?
No, Vincent was.
Oh, Vincent was,
Yeah.
that's right.
You guys had the old office.
Oh, that's right. That's over there. We like this view a lot better.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Okay, let's stand up here in front of the mirror and shoot you. Alrighty. Go ahead. And then neutral. Yep. Just keep pulling these up and back. I'm going to bring the head back and like this. Yep. There we go. Okay, now just relax and try that same thing again. It should feel like it's on a swivel now.
Oh, yes.
Very good. So people out there that's been suffering from neck and back pain, what would your suggestion be to them?
Definitely come to Advanced Chiropractic Relief.
Yep. Thanks,
For
sir.
sure.
Appreciate it. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, and we hope to see y'all soon. Bye-bye.